So guys, the gemstone connected with the planet Mercury is the Panna or the green emerald. So the very first thing is that, is the gemstone remedy effective? Answer to that is yes, it is very effective. But here I am not talking about those lab made cheap gemstone. I am talking about high quality, naturally extracted from the earth, from some of the places of the world which are renowned for producing high quality green emerald. I'm talking about Sri Lanka, this could be Colombia. Now comes the question that can all the zodiac sign people wear the green emerald if they want that business success? So guys, see, green emerald or the planet connected Mercury will never backfire like the way the planet Saturn, like planet Mars and Rahu, their gemstones can backfire if they do not suit you. But still I would say all the zodiac sign people can wear the green emerald or the Panna, excluding the Aries and the Scorpio rising people, and slightly the Cancer zodiac sign people as well, because for the Cancer people, it can, if a Cancer person has the anxiety issue, unknown fears and phobia, it can increase that as well. So your fears can get rationalized and can make you more paranoid. And for the Aries and the Scorpio, Mercury is not a good planet. Apart from that, excluding these three zodiac sign, rest of the people can fairly go ahead with this green emerald. Now guys, comes the question that in which all conditions wearing this gemstone becomes important. So obviously, if you are running the Mercury Dasha, wearing that will prove out to be very effective. If Mercury is combust in your chart, if Mercury has got a very low degree, if Mercury is retrograde, then in those kind of cases you shall consider wearing the green emerald. Again guys, Mercury is highly impressionable planet. The kind of environment in which it is going to be placed in your chart, wearing a gemstone, adding a gemstone in your energy body, in your aura, intensify its energy. So let's say for example, if someone is already have got a criminal minded mindset, so it will intensify that. So again, we generally add gemstone as a remedy when that planet is kind of lacking the power to give results, like your life and your nature of work demands you to be a public speaker, but at the last minute you lack confidence. Wearing this will help you. So if you are not Aries, Scorpio or Cancer and you are in the Mercury Dasha, wearing this gemstone can prove out to be a game changer or fortune awakening for you.